When a diesel engine in a commercial truck fails, it is expensive. Rebuilding your engine may save you up to half of what it would cost to replace it. However, there are two very important steps to follow when buying engine kits. Number 1. Make sure that you are buying a quality kit manufactured by a reputable company. Doing so will save you money in the long run. Number 2. Don't be fooled by Inframe kits that are at a lower price but don't have all the parts needed to do the job. When it comes to rebuilding a diesel engine, there are no shortcuts with replacement parts. Therefore, you want to buy a kit that has everything you need, saving you time and money. AFA Industries offers diesel engine kits that has everything you need to do the job properly the first time around. To learn more about the engine parts manufactured by AFA Industries, head over to afaindustries.com today.